Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I bring you another unboxing video. This package is from Rossely, also known as Nails by Rossely on Instagram. I just want to start off by saying I'm so proud of you and I can't wait to unbox this beautiful package. To start off, I did pick up this beautiful pink mylar. I love the container. It's super cute and it's bougie. It looks very beautiful. Next up, these are the pom-poms that I've been seeing all over Instagram, and I can't wait to use these maybe on my birthday set. I think that would be beautiful. And they're magnetic, and I believe she does have multiple colors. I will be leaving all her information down below so you could check her website out and give her a follow on Instagram. Please also stay till the end. I do have a small surprise and you guys don't want to miss out. Next up, I am pulling out this beautiful flower brush, perfect to dust off that dust. And did you guys see her logo? It is so beautiful. I love her logo so much. The color combination and everything, it's just so beautiful. So that's the brush. And I believe she only has one color on her site. I'm not too sure. Next up, I did receive these beautiful butterfly stickers. Well, this one is just for one nail, so if you're doing a very intricate design on one of the nails, this is the perfect stand to put your nail on. It's super beautiful, super sparkly, and it's literally right up my alley. I love things that are sparkly and pink, so this is super beautiful. Next up, I am going to be pulling out the monomer. I did use these on my swatches when I do them after, and it's beautiful to work with, super easy, and I love how she wraps her items, the acrylic and the monomer. She does seal it with heat, so they're very nicely sealed and protected, so it doesn't do a mess just in case there is any type of leakage. I did receive 4 acrylics. I believe she does have 8. I think it's 8. I'm not too sure. So the first one that I'm pulling out is Sunset. And as I was showing you guys, this acrylic powders, the containers do have that protective lid that I love so much when companies have it, because it's a lifesaver and it does protect the product a lot so there's no leakage. We are swatching Mermaid now. Super beautiful, again, super beautiful color. It's like a blue greenish tone. And like I said, working with the monomer and working with the powders together is such a nice combination. Super easy to work with. I was having issues because the brush I was using sucked, and that's the reason why I was struggling a little bit. If you guys made it this far into the video, please comment a little palm tree or a little flower down below so I know you guys have made it this far. I think next up it's Sugar. It's a beautiful clear glitter. This is perfect as a topper, or it's perfect for winter time. I don't know why I got some winter vibes off of this acrylic shade, which is Sugar, and I think this would look perfect with like a baby blue for winter time. And the last one is Lemonade. This is the shade I won on a contest she was doing right before she opened her website. And these are the beautiful 4 colors that I received. Now, off to the surprise I was talking about in the beginning of the video. I wanted to recreate a nail set inspired by Rossely's logo. I love her logo so much, like I said before, super tropical, super colorful. And I wanted to recreate something, and maybe this is a new trend, you guys. Help me get this out there. Help me, make this a trend. All my YouTuber friends that I have on here, let's do this. Let's create a nail set inspired by a logo, whether it's yours or a friend's or someone that we look up to, that would be awesome. And if you do decide to recreate this trend, please tag me, send it to me through Instagram. I will be leaving all my social media information down below. But anyways, Rossely, if you made it this far as well, I am super proud of you. Thank you so much for the package. I do have another package coming in from her, and I'm super excited for you guys to see. Maybe I do have a giveaway. I'm not too sure. Maybe I will have some more information on my next video. But other than that, that is it for this video. I was using her monomer. I did use Young Nails, iGel Beauty, and Saviland Acrylic, and I did not have a problem with the monomer whatsoever. It was super easy to work with, and yeah, you guys should definitely get her products, especially the monomer. Like I said, it works perfect with all types of brands, and that is it. Again, I will be leaving Rossely's information down below as well as mine, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay till the end to see some pictures of how this set turned out. And that is it for this video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you're feeling generous enough today, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye!